Good day, cookie enthusiasts and baking aficionados. Welcome to a delightful journey into the world of baking. Today, the spotlight is on a classic favorite with a tropical twist: tantalizing coconut cookies. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked cookies wafting through your kitchen, the soft crunch as you take the first bite, and the sweet, nutty flavor of coconut filling your senses. Sounds heavenly, right? Well, prepare to make this dream a reality as we walk through this recipe step by step. To embark on this culinary adventure, gather the following ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of butter, half a cup of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your cookies bake evenly once they hit the heat. Next, take a large bowl and cream together the butter and sugar until they're light and fluffy. This process aerates the butter, which helps the cookies rise and creates that irresistible melt-in-your-mouth texture. Incorporate the egg and vanilla extract into your creamed mixture, ensuring everything is well combined. These ingredients add moisture and flavor to the dough. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. This dry mix forms the base of your cookies, providing structure and texture. Slowly, combine the dry ingredients with the wet mixture. Stir until the dough forms, but remember not to overmix. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we don't want that. Now comes the star of the show: the desiccated coconut. Fold it into the dough until evenly distributed. This infuses every bite of the cookies with that tropical coconut flavor. Once your dough is ready, shape it into 1-inch balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave space between each cookie to allow for spreading during baking. Bake your cookies in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. The aroma of coconut and freshly baked cookies will soon fill your kitchen, a sure sign that your treats are almost ready. After baking, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for around 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is crucial as it stops the baking process and ensures your cookies have the perfect texture. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a batch of delicious homemade coconut cookies. They're perfect for sharing with friends and family, or simply enjoying with a cup of tea or coffee. So, to recap, cream together butter and sugar, add egg and vanilla, mix in your dry ingredients, fold in desiccated coconut, shape into balls, bake until golden, and let cool. It's as simple as that. Treat yourself to these delightful coconut cookies and bring a taste of the tropics into your kitchen. Happy baking!